see if just wait for you guys to show up, and hopefully we can check if it's still working or not. Cause yeah, it was streaming as hell earlier. Streaming. I mean, it was lagging. Okay, let's check what it looks like on my phone. Looks all right on the phone. Okay, it's playing nicer right now, which is good. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we are back. What's up? What's up? What's up? Thanks for hanging around, man. All right, let's see. Hopefully this time is better. So far, it's good. Maybe it's the music that I need to stop playing. My computer can't handle that right now. I mean, I've got pretty good specs, right? If I show you my about this Mac, okay, I don't know if you can see that without zooming in, but yeah, I can't zoom in. But basically, 2.4 gigahertz, 8 core Intel i9, got 32 gig of memory. I guess the graphics card is the one of fixed, right? 4 GB AMD Radeon Pro, Intel UHD graphics. Maybe it's these two that messes it up. In terms of memory and stuff, it's pretty good. So, and it used to be fine like 2 3 weeks ago. Ever since this Big Sur update, the new OS, it's just been it's messed it up big time. Okay, so today, Aurora, we are going to see what's this? Um, yeah, we're gonna check this. Yo, Abs, what's going on, man? Yeah. I man, I've been so busy at work because it's like end of the year kind of thing, and a bunch of projects need to be finished, and yeah, like yeah, and then my role is so I'm like a manager position, so like I've got a bunch of things I need to take care of and figure out, and then there's New Year's, new stuff happening. I need to prep for New Year, so I've been crazy busy for this entire week. Um, like Monday I couldn't sleep Sunday night, so Monday I just crashed. I came on Tuesday literally with like 3 hours sleep, and you weren't here. Towards the end of the stream, I was dead. I was like, okay, guys, I gotta leave. And then yesterday I just went to bed straight, man. I was dead. I literally had like a 12-hour day, maybe even 13-hour day, man. It was mad. And I just finished today. Um, but yeah, that's what's happening. You back to rock paper scissors? No, no, no. We finished rock paper scissors, but I want to. Apparently, oh, you were here that day when Aurora told both of us that our code is wrong and that we're calling in the event listens multiple times. So today he's on the chat to trying to figure out. Oh, you've already changed it. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong now. All right. Okay. So what was I doing wrong then? What was I doing wrong? You want him to check? Okay. Yeah, he's here. He's here. um, how do we check? Okay, so if I do a console log, I can check that, right? So I think it's this thing here. Can I do a console log event listener? Can I just console log this entire thing? Maybe that will tell us. All right. That's the reset game one though. Is that what we did wrong? 129. Yeah. 129 undefined. Is this the problem that we're calling this again and again here, each on each game reset, right? Um okay. I think that's what we did wrong. Right here. I think that's what you mean. Right? This undefined thing coming up again and again 3 times now. How can we do this? Change that. Take a look at my game. Okay, you updated it. Hey, yo. Oh, you even added an audio to it. On win, it gives you a ping. Oh, can you guys hear that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. And on loss, it gives you the kind of sound. That's sick. Hey, yes. You added a fanfare to it. Nice. Okay, what do you get when you lose? I want to lose now. Yo, that's sick, man. That's awesome. um. Okay, to make it clear, you need to make sure the add event listeners only called once. Right. Okay. Right. So this one. So I need to inspect the button, which is this one. You should be able to see the event list attached on the click event. Okay. So this is the button, right? Hey, what's up, Mike? Oh man, okay. I need to Mike with the 57. Nice. Okay, let me change that real quick. I always forget that I need to reset this um every time I restream because some reason stream say this one. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, that should be good now. Let's check it out. There we go. Now, oh, you mean there's no even listeners in mind, so we're good? Oh, I need to keep clicking until it shows up. Hey, what's up? What's up, Jason? How's it going, man? It's been a while. This week's I haven't been consistent. I only streamed twice. Feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in forever. See your apps seems fine. Oh, so mine is messed up, but his is good. There is a tab. Oh, click. So okay, so this is the problem. All right, let's quickly. All right, let's refresh. What's going on, Jason? What are you up to, man? I need to inspect the button, don't I? Okay. All right, let's try that. Try that again. Um. Okay. Event listener for that one. I don't know why I'm not getting it. Sad thing, it only refreshes if you click on inspect again. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Computer starting to slow down again. Not good. Okay, so I'm now going to inspect this and then go to event listeners. Okay, we got a click. We got one. So if I keep doing this and I lose, do another restart. Oh, I need to click on inspect again. Okay. What's going on? Oh, dude, I keep keep going past the play again button. Paper, paper, paper. Okay. All right, let's inspect that. And we are going to the event listeners. Whoa, look at that. Okay, that's the problem. So how do we fix that? Did you finish the whack? Um, kind of fix. I think I'll show you. I'll show you in a second. Um, it's fixed with bugs. It works, but it's not what I want it to be. Maybe I can send it to you now. Whack more. What about you? Did you work on that? I know you were building it a couple days ago. Da, da, da. Yeah, here's what I got so far. There's a bunch of features I want to add, but okay. So what's the problem here? So we call this 130. So I'm adding an event listener every single time. The reset game button. So okay, so when the button's clicked, I'm basically telling it to hide those three buttons, and then show the play again button, and then change the text to that, which is choose your weapon wisely text right here, right? Um, Make sure you set it up only once. Okay. Oh, so I can basically put this outside, is what you're saying? Something like that, and then okay. But somehow I need to. The reason I put it in there was because wait, do I actually call it? Where do I call this function? Right, that's where I call it. Oh, okay, that might just be it then, because I actually do call it somewhere else. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. We have a bug missing on line 140. What am I missing? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Choose your weapon wisely. Does it change? Okay. Play again. Let's go ahead and inspect that. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's two. Just try a bunch of times and then we'll inspect again. Hey, what's up, Zali? How's it going? Yeah, it's been good, man. Just been busy working. So, this is my second stream of the week. Or is it my third? I don't even know. Okay, looks like I fixed it. Aurora. I think we're good. Right, let's inspect again. Some event listeners. Yeah, I think we. Oh, yeah, only one. I think we're good. So basically, I had to do the play button outside, and then not sure what could be solved. Yeah, it's not showing up because I'm clicking on it multiple times. Because I added the event listener outside of the reset game function. I think we're good. How did you solve it, Abs? Let's take a look at your code. Okay, that's not your code. Where's your code? Same thing you did. Oh, really? Okay, very cool. Man, can you guys see my mouse literally like walking at a snail pace? Also, what's weird is my camera is it doesn't lag, right? But the screen lags. So I'm not sure how I can fix that. Let's see, stream bitrate. Okay, let's bring the bitrate down. 60 frames per second. All right, I'm gonna change the resolution of my webcam. That might make the stream slightly better. 30 frames per second. Yeah, okay. All right. See, boom, boom, boom. Use a lot of case. Did I use case? I can't even remember. Yeah, okay. Function, check first to five, reset labels and score. Play again. Everyone listens. I also like how you've commented the different sections. Yeah, I need to do more of that. All right, cool, man. That one's finally solved. That took a while. Oh, well, I've just been procrastinating on checking on that. So, um, open. Whack-a-mole, right? So yeah, here's where we at with this one. Well, I've already sent you the link. And I need to figure out how to fix this because this lag is driving me nuts. Okay. Wow, look at that. Still loading. Where's my CSS gone? Yo, did I delete my CSS file? Oh yeah. I've just disabled everything for some reason. That and okay, so yeah, so we got this working, but right now it's a bit too fast. Sleep now because I just came from work. All right, man. Sounds good. Catch you. See you around. I'll definitely be back tomorrow for a Friday night stream. Hopefully, I can catch a stream next time. Yeah, yeah. I'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna stream on the weekend. Gonna be a big stream because I need to catch up. I better. Um, yeah. This week I haven't streamed as much, so I need to put in the time. Okay, so here's the different things I want to add to it. There's a bunch of different functions. App.js. Yeah, I need to limit Jason from being able to do that, but I actually made a note on the other one. I haven't even finished Etch a Sketch, really. Okay. I was working a lot more. Like, I mean, coding, but how far are you along with the Etch a Sketch project? All right, so here are the features I want to add to this. Um, so add a game over message after the first 10 seconds when it finishes off. It gives me a message that says the game finished. Click something to play again. Add the high score to local storage and display on the page somewhere. Limit the scores. I actually don't know what that means. I also need to limit Jason from being able to use the console. So basically, somehow make sure that you can only do it using your mouse and not like crazy hacking skills that Jason has. Nothing like that. Responsiveness for large screens. So yeah, my screen is pretty big. Hey, did we fix it? Yeah, you see how when I do that, it doesn't work. Um, that's a potential thing. And instead of the mouse click, I was thinking maybe we can add a hammer. And you can basically just hammer it down. That would be cool. You added response. Okay, nice. It's actually pretty easy. Okay. I know as you do some media query stuff, but I need to practice a little bit. I was thinking maybe a different animation when the thing gets hit, slows down or something. I don't know how hard that would be. Um, okay, this is also a crazy idea. Maybe we can add um, different rounds. You play round one, round two, round three, round four, and as you progress up in the rounds, the thing gets faster and faster. Like slowly progresses up. So I guess it could be on round one. Um, the random speed would be times 10, and the like. What I mean is, yeah, this thing here is times by 10, and then you go to round two, 9, 8, 7, 6. So that as you progress up, the thing gets really, really fast. I need to wait for it to stop popping after 10 seconds. Oh no, these two are done. That's also done. Yeah, so those are the things I wanna add. I don't know what this app.js is. What is that? Why do I have two of these? Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Hopefully it doesn't move to trash. Yeah, okay. uh, it indicator using some CSS to make the most flash red, for example. Yes, 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 yes. That would be great. It would be cool, like if you hit it. If you hit it with a hammer, right? Um, different animation, maybe slows on its way down or something, and flash red with CSS, like you said. I'm making this so complicated now, but yeah, something like that. I also need to find a hammer. Touchscreen, hammer detection. Did I say finger? Okay. Um, we need a hammer. We need a hammer. That's what we need. Yeah, it's not. Hammer graphics. Claw hammer. Hey, that looks cool. But it's someone's a hand and a hammer. That would be cool. Hand and a hammer. Hey, there you go. This one. Which one looks badass? That one looks like it's definitely. He would just kill someone if he hit someone with that. Um, that one looks pretty pretty cool as well. Whatever. We'll just go with this one. It's gonna be. Oh, it's got thing on it. What's the thing called where you can get free PNGs? PNG tree or free pick. Hammer hand. Sort by. Okay. Hey, what's up, man? Where you at on JS studies? So I finished off the free code camp JavaScript section. So got the certification for that. So right now, building different projects. This is project number 3. Yeah, that one is cool. We'll go with that. You can even use a CSS animation to make the hammer rotate 90% degrees. So actually, it does a hair animation. Okay, all right, let's do that. I need to register, dude. Why do I need to register? Free download. Come on. Log in with Google. Nice. Awesome. What about you, man? Are you learning? Are you a pro? What's your story? Free PNG download. 2 free downloads left. Okay. Sure. We are always learning. That is true. That is true. Learning. There's so much to learn. Pretty codes. And I really need to do something about this lag. This new Big Sur update just messed me up, man. You started last year in web development? Nice, man. Self taught, or are you learning from school? Did some kind of boot camp? Or learning at work? Okay, what do I need to do? I need to go to Wacamo and add the picture there. College and Stack Overflow. Nice. Yeah, Stack Overflow, man. That thing's helped me a lot already. That's where I found the code to do the RGB thing I had to do. All right, here we go. Let's rename this to Hammer. Okay, so how do we make the hammer show? All right, that's gonna be crazy, right? The hammer needs to follow the mouse. So I need to change the mouse cursor to an image. I don't know if it'd be CSS or JavaScript. One of the two. I don't know how to do that. How to change mouse cursor to an image? There you go. You can specify a URL to it in your CSS. So cursor. Ooh, ooh, div. Why div? All right. jQuery. We're not going to use that. Drag me. Okay, apparently that's how you do it. So that needs to go into my CSS. Let's try it. I don't know what the auto is. Get rid of that. Okay. It's not doing that. Do I need to create a div with the image too? Am I on the right thing? Because I deleted the other JavaScript file. Hopefully not the wrong one. Hammer check. No, I went the right one. CSS. Did I? Change the cursor of CSS for better user experience. URL path to P. Okay, maybe it needs to be in quotes. Apparently, no. Okay. Dot module. What's a dot module? When it's over a div, right? Oh, okay. So these all should be divs, right? It's not changing that. um, okay, this one here works, right? They've used a circle like that. How do they do it? Module. The module class means something with the class module. Okay. So do we okay? Do I want the hammer in at all times? No, right? I only want it at once you click play game. Okay, so if that means maybe I set the entire thing, I have no idea if this is good or not. If I just say body class equals module, so everything is in that class. How's that? No? Because that's what we're doing, right? Anything when it hovers over a certain class, it's gonna add that. Oh, I think we can target body directly. So maybe we just instead of creating a thing, we put it right here. There. How's that? Nope. What does this U mean? U. Yeah, they've done it here. Edit on code panel. Let's see what they did. They're using something called SCSS, which I have no idea what that is. .svg cursor. SVG is a class. Is a div with the class. Okay. Hmm. Either target image. Yeah. There is a CSS for everything. It is. Oh, nice, nice. Thank you, thank you. You saved me so much time, man. I probably should have thought about that and Googled that specific thing. How do I target everything instead of guessing it was body? Um, wait, do I have the dot thing here? Okay, right here. I'll go cursor twice. Still no, huh? Maybe the link here is wrong. I mean, it shouldn't be long. Wrong. Hammer.png. Maybe it's not URL source. CSS cursor source. cursor1.png. Yeah, I mean they all use URLs. I mean it's in the same folder, not sure, but I think it's URL auto without the thing. Yeah, this one has this thing here though. But we can test it out. Okay. That doesn't like that. Maybe we remove the folder thing. Still doesn't like it. What's this red thing here? I don't know what that is. I don't know, man. I don't know why this doesn't work. I mean, we are on the right file, right? Yeah. I get rid of that, which is fine. Hammer.png. Cursor. You can check if the page you want to load is the hammer.png. Okay. So you mean like add a new image and see what it does? Okay. That loads that. Dot hammer png. Oh, go to networking. Okay. Right. So it's on there right now. Network tab. Style CSS. Oh, look at that. Look how many hammers we've got. Why do we have so many hammers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Never mind. Cursors have limitations. 128 by 128. Oh, the image size? Is that the problem? Using an external image for that. Yeah, you're right. 128 by 128. That's not that big. Tiny pick. Is it tiny pick? Image resizer. Look at the limitations. Yeah, 128 by 128. Larger cursor images will be ignored. Higher visual image subs 30 by 30 for maximum compatibility. 128 by 128. That's not that. How big is that? Let's resize. Pick resize. Okay. Oh, but it doesn't give me the thing. I think it just compresses it, huh? How do we change dimensions? Change picture dimensions. There you go. Keep aspect ratio something. Downloads. No, no, no. Documents. Oh. Don't want to spoil, but there's more than one to achieve here. Your first approach was cursor. Second one would be make an image, follow your cursor, buzzword, CSS, absolute positioning, and man, that is much more simpler than what I'm trying to do. Okay. Make an image, follow your cursor. Second approach is no limitations. Right. Yeah, that makes more sense. How do we make it follow again? CSS absolute positioning. So I would need to. Looks like I need to add an element. Let's just check. CSS mouse move event. All right. On mouse move. Div on mouse move function move the cursor over me. Move the cursor over me. It needs to move on the body. Maybe we can do it on the body. Add event listener, mouse move. On mouse move. Yep, there you go. Great. Fantastic. All right, okay. Let's just try it. Document dot query selector. I'm going to select everything. So can I do body? Is that going to select the entire page? Body dot on mouse move. Let custom cursor. Function that is going to run. That's what I need to do. I need it to add some kind of class. So I need to run some kind of CSS script, right? So the way I've been doing CSS script so far is to toggle something. Body dot Add cursor. Okay. I don't think that's how I did it. What's going on, man? As in real life, you only have one body. So you're saying I don't need this? Document that unless I'm gonna thing. Warning, you want a on mouse move listener body is okay. Then in it, you want to set the position for cursor object image to be image, for example. Okay, all right, let's do this then. Okay, let's get rid of that. Dot custom mouse. Position. Absolutely right. That's what we said. So document body was right. Oh, document. I don't need the query selector always always telling me. Okay, because there's only one. Right. Custom cursor that. So I don't need this one here either. Document the body. Function class list add custom mouse class dot custom mouse. All right. See what that does. Query selector body. Document the query selector body is the same as document the body. No, no, no. You can query select body, but okay, okay. I see what you mean now. You can array with p tags, right? Okay. All right, I'm with you. Still not working though. Why is it not working? How do I even check if the cursor has that, right? Well, I use body because I want body to have this custom mouse. Um, hang on. What's the event listener? Mouse move. Body the class list add. Is it body? No, sorry, it's custom cursor, isn't it? That's not. No, we're adding it to the star thing, right? We're not using the CSS approach anymore. It's that second approach. Create an image and set it with hammer. Create an image and set. Okay. Wait. So what was our first approach? The first approach was to directly change the cursor thing, and that has a limitation of 128 by 128. So instead of that, we said we're gonna do a mouse move. On mouse move is gonna add the image, right? So What is it going to add the image to? I thought it would still need to add the image to the cursor. Um, but it needs to do the XY position depending on the mouse move event. Hmm. Second approach is HTML image element volume. Yeah. Okay. So if I set an image somewhere here, source equals hammer. Right. Okay. Well, that's actually quite big. um. Mhm. Okay. ID equals hammer pick. So we could go document dot query. How many more? All of them. Um. Oops. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Oh my days! What happened? Okay. So we need to target the hammer pick, which is an ID. Um, height of, let's say, 30 pixel. Oh, it's too way too small, dudes. There you go, Zaddy. That's gonna hit one. Maybe double 230, 100 more. Yeah, that's a reasonable size, I think. Maybe not. Maybe more. Okay. Okay, that's the height it's gonna be. Position absolute. Yeah, 128 was. Uh, some reason I thought it'd be big. Uh, okay. In the mouse move event, you need to manipulate the CSS values for top and left, which controls the X and Y. All right. All right. So that means, what does that mean? That means we can change this. So we need to add top and what do you say? Top and left controls X and Y. And those need to be dynamic styles. They do need to be dynamic. They do need to be dynamic. All right, let's just set something. I want to see what it does. 10px, let's say 40. All right, did that move? I don't even know. Okay, let's say top is 100. Where's the mouse? Maybe minus 100? Wait, I'm moving the wrong thing. Come on. Here. What does that do? Hey, look at that. Okay, it moves. Perfect. So somehow it needs to. get the XY position, and we need to add that using JavaScript, right? Um, Cursor position JavaScript. Get the current. Yeah, that's what we need. Get the current mouse cursor position. Hey, what's up, Bo? How's it going? By the way, I made this quick write up last time after suggesting. Okay, perfect. Because that is something we're going to build. Quick introductory document for. Amazing. Thank you. I'm not going to read it now. I'm going to add it to our notes right here. And we're going to read it when we get to it, which is boom. Awesome. Appreciate the write up, man. We're gonna do that for sure. Right now, I'm trying to I'm trying to do the easy one, which apparently is not so easy because I've been stuck on it for almost an hour and basically been handheld by Aurora the whole time. Aurora, I can't even say Aurora. uh, so what do we need? We need to be able to get the current position of the cursor at all times. Um, Event capture events. Okay, capture events. Get XY. What is all that? Scroll left, scroll top. Read about the mouse move event. Okay. Local storage. I'm actually trying to make a general class that will save some data automatically. Cool, man. I'll be interested to see how what you do. We can use this on this project. Okay, that doesn't sound like it's saving time or space. All right, what we doing? What we doing? We are checking for mouse positions. Close that for now. Come back. All right, so let's go mouse move. This can go away. There you go. Mouse move event. The following example uses mouse down, mouse move, and mouse up. Interesting. Offset X and offset Y. I have no idea what any of this code is doing. X is 0, Y is 0. My picks. Okay. Get context. So what's the get context? Oh, that's the canvas thing? Yeah, I never learned that. Okay. My picks dot add event listener. Mouse move, mouse up, mouse down. Function draw line begin. Oh, look at this example. Okay. Seasons and the lambda function stuff. Oh, that's what this is, a lambda function? Because right now it's just going way over my head. I'm like, what is. Anyway, okay. Appreciate the link. Here's an example. Oh, it's giving me coordinates. How'd you even find this stuff, man? um, hey, what's up, Marvel? I'm learning about cursor coordinates and apparently some kind of lambda functions. All right. All right. If everyone's playing a game, I'm playing a game. Droop Dog, what's going on? Emma Salinity. Winwood, I see you. Yay, 31. All right. Div, my div. P and a P and a P. Script, document get element ID positive. Add event listener, move. Mouse, function event, function event. Hmm? Function, my function E, variable x, E dot client x, y equals E to client x, and coordinates is a string. Oh, it's a string, and we're concatenating the x, which is E dot client x, and y, which is y, and get document E is equal to core, which is the coordinates, right? This example uses that to attach a mouse movement to a div to get the coordinates of your mouse pointer. All right, I kind of get it, but we should be able to use this code and pass it on to what do I need to do? So I need to pass the x coordinate to left and then y. So this here needs to be y and it needs to be x, right? Somehow I need to add hammer pick. All right, it's okay. So I need to add or toggle, I guess, add the class hammer pick, but I also need to add the x and y coordinates to hammer pick. Hammer pick. That's what I meant about dynamic style. The CSS file cannot be changed. It cannot be changed. Okay, that sucks. Wait, there was a way to add variables to CSS, no? CSS variables. The var function. However, every HTML element has a style property which you can change to set inline styles directly that will take precedence over the styles in CSS files. Oh, so I could go hammer pick. So a function that sets the style to whatever. Okay. All right, let's get that shot. So what do we have? We've got custom calls, so they're actually, let's bring it down here. Document get remedy my data admin listener, which is hammerpick. Hammerpick the admin listener is this bit here. So he's got this event thing. I don't understand this event thing completely. Got function that takes in an event. Right. My function event, and he just does that. And then okay, my function is this my function right here. Okay, got it. And then the my function thing takes in an e. Let x equals there. Y is the coordinates. Okay, I don't think I actually need that. Get element by ID, blood or style. Yeah, okay. All right. Get element by ID, hammerpick. Well, we've already got that, no? We've already got custom cursor. Custom cursor dot. Think of the syntax node dot add event listener event name handler function. So okay, so every time I do an event listener, I'm selecting an event name, which is mouse move on click handler. What does handler mean? Handler. I was reading some stuff, and there was something about handlers, and there was something about helper functions or something. Saying on the element whenever an event happens on the element, the handler function will run. Okay. All right, that makes sense. So the handler function in this case is function event. I mean, I could just make it into one, though. I don't need to run two different ones. Here, can I not just go? Nah, whatever. Separate out. Handler is just a catch-all for functions which handle stuff. Right. Okay. All right. When you react to an event, the handler is a function that handles the event took place. Okay. Cool. Which is a generic name. That's what a handler function is. And what is the? What was the other one I just said? I forget. Helper functions. I don't think that's JavaScript. Okay, so this gives us the. I think it gives us the x and y, and then I'll just custom cursor, which is the hammerpick dot style, and then here top equals y. Squared brackets. There's square brackets now. I'm trying to read your thing. They are square. Hang on. Yeah, addition around the y you have there. Okay, right. Yeah, in red he's got quotes. Right. Cool. Cool. And then if I wanted to do multiple stuff, can I just do comma, or do I need to do it twice? Comma left equals x. You don't want the set. Remember, I'm for ADP. Sorry. Yeah. Um, you also probably don't want the top coordinate to be letter y. What is top? Let me. X is 265. Right. So it's going to be whatever the position is going to be. U is not defined. What do you mean? Oh, I'll put U in there. It's put Y. Cannot read style of null. Oh, okay. Why is it not console login anymore? It was login when I put in U in there, but I don't like why. Oh, it's because I removed that. Oh, I'm so dumb, man. Because I'm not hovering on the page, I'm hovering on the console. Alright. No, it's not. Mm, must be on your website. Yeah, yeah, I got that. But it only works for X some reason. So if I remove the Y, it'll give me the X position, which is. Oh, never mind. Stop working. Dude, it was just working. What happened? Oh, there you go. That's what I was doing wrong. Right, so right now it only does it when I hover over this image because that's what we got the thing to set, right? Okay. Hammer pick. So it needs to be the body thing. Needs to go back to that. Okay, there you go. We're not getting the Y, we're not getting the X because right. So why can't I do that? Why can't I just assign it? So at this position, I'm gonna get a specific X and Y. Document the body that add. It will list no. Um, right, but custom cursor is that body. So I mean, it's doing the thing. Let me just see what happens. For Kui, if I set it directly to that, I want to see what it does. Custom cursor is the image axis. I changed it. I changed it to be body. I don't know what. Yeah. Why did I change it? Okay. I need to think through what I'm doing here. So we got the hammer. Okay, yeah, we need. Okay, yeah. So I need. Whoa, I need to add the top to these, right? Okay, yeah. I'm in dumb. Yep, hammer pick. So custom cursor is fine. So that means this here needs to change now. Document dot body, and then on that we're gonna put custom cursor, the style. Okay, it doesn't like the comma. Or maybe it did. Invalid destructuring assignment target 126. Customize image. You changed it because you wanted the mouse wheel to file an entire body, not just the image. Right. Yeah. Yeah. My pain is unbearable. Thinking about what you do sounds like a great idea. Yep. 100%. I am not in the game today, man. All right. What do we have? Okay. So we have an image with this ID, hammer pick, right? And the hammer pick is, we got this. So basically, it needs a top and bottom positions. Oh, it doesn't work in here. CSS. How do you add comments in CSS? Oh yeah. It's this. That's for HTML. So add top and left to hammer pick, and I'm using JavaScript to do that. And the way you do that is JavaScript. So we got the hammer pick on. So this here is going to give me X and Y on the page, and once I have the X and Y's, custom cursor, which is the image selector, dot style, top equals that, left equals X. Hmm. No multiples. Okay. And as said, Y is a string. Y without the is your far. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay. What does that do? It's giving us X and Y's, but this thing. Okay. It's not adding the thing. I can see what you're trying to do. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite work. Split up the assigning X and Y into completely separate lines. Oh, I've also got top on both too. It's meant to be left. My bad. My filtered book. Did we do it? Okay, why is it here? Can you be more dynamic? It doesn't want to be dynamic, guys. All right. X and Y's is fine, but yeah, we're running into the problem that you said where it's not being dynamic. Um, oh, set attribute. But that just says the class. No, it doesn't actually say. Yeah, style, background, red. That's what we're doing here. Style dot background color equals red. Let's go to think why this doesn't work as intended. All right, so okay, from based on what you're saying, this here is correct. This should be adding it. The problem is it's not doing it for some reason, and the reason is you gave me a hint earlier. You said it's not dynamic. You cannot add it to the CSS or something. Okay, why is it all the way up top? Because of this, right? Height. The top, right, bottom, and left properties determine the final location. I mean, we should be adding the top and stuff from there. Mm, I mean, that's the same as this, right? Equals equals, and it just does it. I guess it does it on the first try. Let's see. Maybe it doesn't do it because we only call it. No, we don't, right? We got mouse was on mouse move. It should be. Getting the code in is fine. and X and Y are not. They're not. Okay, let's see. So if I do this right, okay, let's do that. All right. So we got some X and Y stored. So if I try and find what the X position is, X is not defined. Okay, it's not defined because it's inside this. It's this. It's inside a function. Got it. Oh, you've been thinking why it's not working. Oh man. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Oh wait. What we're done? I messed something up. Hey. Yes. We have a hammer, guys. But I don't. Okay, it's leading by. You see the difference? I don't know how to show you. There's a difference between the start of the hammer and where the cursor is. There's a bit of a lag. So, see what I mean? So if I want to hit this, I'm hitting underneath it. Set the Z index higher. But the cursor is lagging behind, man. Zero, is that the highest? All right. So Z index is higher. Okay, so this is good. It also needs to do this action. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Right now it's like this. It needs to be boom boom. Uh, the lag behind is only because the left top. So I did something. Top is Y, left is X. Wait, what I don't understand. The lag behind is only because the left top attributes are used for to left. So you need to add half the width and half the length to get a center. What do you mean the left top is added to left? Okay. So at that position, this is our X position, right? So 344 and 363. So somewhere here should be like 00 somewhere here. So top of the page here should be 00 then. Left top of the image is the pivot right now. I think is what you mean. So 50% off. Oh wow, that is horrible. Okay, the 300 was fine. Let's do 150. Oh, need some numbers. What you want is to shift the image. Okay, so you're saying, how do I shift it? The position, the height, the width. Oh, translate, I think we can do. Transform, translate, X. Okay, so went the wrong direction. Okay, Y seems about right. Maybe even 100. Actually, no. Let's do X. Minus 30. Minus 50%. Okay. It's not doing much. It's right now. It's to the top left of the. So halfway down the middle and halfway to the right. Right. That's what I need to do. So 150 is gonna bring it down halfway, and then I need to go 150 to the left. Okay, so it actually went to the thing. So this has to be -2, not equals, but negative. Use pixels. Okay. The second translation will override the first when you assign transform twice on it. Um, oh, okay. All right, let's do that. Translate. Man, I only learned about translate X and Y when I was doing this keyframes like a couple days ago. So thanks. All right, 150 pixels. Oh, hopefully that's the X. Oh, maybe that's Y. It's X and Y, not Y and X. Hey, there we go. But I want the head of the hammer to be the point of the cursor, right? That's what we need. So what do we need to do? We need to shift it down even further in the Y direction. So let's say, I don't know, let's say 250. What is that? Okay, it actually went up. That's not what I want. Whoa. Maybe it was negative. Now the picture is above. Let's see, 200. Picture is still above 100. What's that? All right. Okay, we're getting close. So now the only thing I need to move now is X direction, right? It needs to go further in. Guess I'm minus 100 and, minus 120. I have no idea what that did. Yo, is that changing anything? I have no idea what the. Okay. I don't actually see the difference here. Let's go 250. Oh no. All right. Okay, we're clearly moving the wrong direction there. So it looks like we need to go into positive, not negative for X. Let's go 120 positive. Too much. Okay, very close. Fine tuning, but overall we got there. Yeah, thank you, man. Thanks for your help, guys. I was thinking, like, how did you know it's the top left? By I finally got it when I was looking at this picture and it's moving. Finally made sense. Okay, we need the mouse to be. Man, there must be an easy way to do this than trial and error. Come on. Why is it? Zero is closer. So maybe minus 10. Okay, there we go. All right, almost there. Almost there. Very close. 25. Okay, I think the X position is there. Maybe like 27, and we just need to tune the Y position. So one thing you're using the translate right now, which is one way to do it. I would rather use the mouse movement XY value to solve it. But isn't that what we did? Oh, you mean translate X value, translate the Y value? Seems a bit laggy too. I think it's just my computer, man. It's just been laggy. I don't know. It's been so laggy ever since the new update I pushed, the Big Sur update. It's just been laggy as hell. I'm pretty sure if I stop streaming, the lag's gonna go away. All right, so we need a little bit of X and a little bit of Y. Let's say 30 and maybe 110. Yeah, how's that? That's okay. 35 maybe. There you go. We're in the middle now. Boom, 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 boom. Simply add, subtract the XY value with your shift. Okay. And I'm gonna leave that for another time. We got this working. I'm happy with that. So you would set left to X minus 35 plus pixels, for example. Do you know what? Let's just try it so I can learn. So we got one way here, right? Which is to translate. So all I would do is right here, custom cursor dot style top. How's it gonna know that it's transform? Because I'm gonna type in transform. I was trying to think like transform and then a value. So we transform equals and then the string. Oh, no. Is it string? Translate. Yeah. Yep. So translate plus x. Oh no, he meant to not set transform, but rather change x and y values. Okay, gotcha. Okay, but we could do that. But how did you know, or how would you know it would be 35 pixels without doing this thing first? Because that's how I figured out it would be that. Is there an easier way to check that? Or is that, do you know what I mean? So I found out the 35 because I was doing a manual process until I got here. Okay, yeah, that also works. Well, that was part of your design decision, and therefore, after trial and error, okay. You just cheated by looking at your screen. Okay, now that makes sense though. This looks really cool, man. This looks so cool. Oh, look at that. Now we just need some. Oh no, we can't click start because my cursor is over the picture, dude. All right, we need to fix that. So this hammer should only show up after I click start. Okay, here's the problem though, because I click start and then it's going to show up and I don't know what to do. Do you know what would be cool? I'm just adding features to this great game now. What would be cool is once you click on start, it's going to pop 3, 2, 1, and then go, and then the things will start animating. Yeah, that would be cool. I don't know how I'll do that, but that would be cool. Hammer pick hidden. Hammer pick hidden. But until it's click, right? So after clicking on start, show a countdown timer from 3, 2, 1, go, and then start the mo pop pop out animation. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I have no idea how to do any of this. All right, let's see. But man, this has been such a big help. Client X and client Y, what is that? Let's just go over the other stuff first. So you said he was using some lambda function or something? Offset X, offset Y. I still need to get used to this thing, the Boolean stuff. I know we used it once when I was doing the when we did the thing, the second project. To clarify on that one, yes, please. Man, I feel like this is actually harder to do this on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our notes to manage. Then I can take it off as we go. If my computer will work. Oh, nice. Also refer to as arrow functions in JavaScript because the syntax is looking for an arrow. Wait, what? You mean this one? But when you said lambda, what do you mean by lambda functions? Or is that the same thing? Okay, free codecam notes. Okay, okay. Function B return is the same as lambda or an arrow function. Got it. Okay, cool. I thought it was some kind of crazy, I don't know, some mathematical formula name or something. Also, no, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. Fakui sounds like I'm swearing. It's Fakui, right? That's your name. I don't know if you've seen this before, but here's what we're doing. We're learning the code. Currently, kind of doing that. It is actually from it's called lambda calculus, right? Arrow functions are called lambda calculus. It's not 100% the same, but let's not talk about this right now. But he wants me to get the basics first. I got you, man. I got you. Okay, to dos. We're gonna paste all of this in, and this can go away. Do you know what? Let's change this. New feature. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Let's say setting 3 so it's bigger. All right, so after clicking on that, we need to be able to do this. Add a game over message after 10 seconds. This is where we're going to look at Bo's stuff. I think we can do this. Multi-part. Local storage. That's another documentation. Limit the scores. I actually don't know. Can't recall what I meant by that. Limit JSON review to console, so limited just mouse clicks. Responsiveness, yeah, I can go away for now. Add a hammer. Hey, we can do a check mark. Look at that. One of them is done. All right. Boom. Let's cross that out. Cool. Class almost done. Get also done. Once the mole is hit, add different animation and slow its speed on its way down. That might be more complicated as I'm reading. I need to do multiple things. Man, this game really is gonna be some good stuff, man. It's gonna I'm gonna learn so much from this because I have no idea how to do any of those right now. Flash red with CSS when hit. We can actually make part of that when the mole is hit. Let's do this. Add different animation. Slowest speed. Do you know? Okay, let's not slow it down. Do you know what'd be cool? Is so when it's hit, it's gonna pop out, right? To its highest to its highest top position. And then we're gonna add those, you know, the cartoon things when you get hit, the spinny thing around the head. I don't know how to do that. That would be cool. Add the spinning. I don't know what that's called. Animation, I guess. Yeah, that'd be pretty funny. So much graphics work. Is that gonna be hard? I have no idea how we would do that. Oh, let's see. It's actually from maps. The lambda arrow functions have some limitation, but think think about it like if you have some complex stuff and use a fully fledged function, you have some complex stuff, use a full fledged function. If you have some simple stuff, write it as a short function. Okay. If it's complex stuff, then use the entire thing. If it's easy, then okay. By all means, use lambdas. Um, there's just an important conceptual difference between them and full body function. They are often just used as a more condensed notation, but there is a difference. However, getting to be Spider-Man would be a bit of a journey. Okay. All right. Cool. 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 Oh, so you guys are saying that this arrow itself, this itself is called lambda. Is that what you said? That's why it's called a lambda function. I imagine. Yeah. Yeah. Is that the arrow sign? Mathematical notation. Oh no. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Um. All right. We're also gonna give. Man, we need to spice up our game. There's gonna be a rounds based game as you progress through round one to three. The speed at which the moles show up increases. Yeah, basically gets faster and faster, whatever. Um, show the so we want to show the score plus the level on the I don't know on the page, aka local storage. Store it there somewhere. Right, something like that. Yeah, I think those would be cool. Any other ideas that you guys want to do that would make the game more fun? Maybe also, I don't know. Maybe also different like sounds. So it could be like when it's hit globally. I have no idea how I do a global leaderboard because I can only do a local thing. So if I wanted to do a global, so anyone can play, anyone can add, and he would keep a list of that. I would have to need a server, right? How much does that cost? Can I get free service or no? um, different sounds. One for when hit, one for winning. Wait, no, there's not really winning. One for countdown would be cool. Da, 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 kind of thing. Countdown. Maybe also like a generic background game music. Considering the traffic you would likely get, you would get a free thing, something like Node and Firebase. Or um, okay, this is. I'm not gonna promise we're gonna do this because I have no idea. If I feel like that's gonna involve much more work, but look into the possibility of I don't know adding a global leaderboard. Extreme black metal at the back, probably going in. Node. See, I don't know Node. That's the thing. I'd have to learn that Node on Firebase or Nux. So maybe we'd have to come back to this once I learn Node, and we'll put it up there. Um, Sadistic Mouse Slayer 4000. Oh, that would be cool if we could give it like, man, I'm actually trying to build a whole game. I'm pretty sure JavaScript is not intended to do that. I'd have to learn a different language. But if we could do, um, yeah, no, that's too much. I'm thinking some Guitar Hero kind of stuff where things pop up as you progress through and stuff. Yeah, that's too complicated for now. But this looks complicated to me right now. But I feel like we can do it. I know you guys can do it with your eyes closed, but I think I can figure this out. Obviously, we need some help from you for sure, most definitely. But yeah, I think we can do that. So that means we can get rid of all of this notes, right? Let's make it look. Yeah, we'll leave that in there for now. This means nothing. Just okay. Yeah, that can all go away now. Uh, all right, what are we handling next? Let's bring this back up. So we've got here's where we are. We got the thing right. The start button is hidden, so we need to make this thing only show up after the start button's been clicked. So initially we need to set it to hidden, and I think we do that by how do I set it to hide? Display hidden, is that a thing? Um, visibility. Yeah, it is the display property. No? Oh, visibility. Visibility hidden. Okay, there we go. So I can click start, and then once I click start, it needs to show up. I'm gonna worry about the 3 to 1 later because I think this would be easier. So all I would do is I would toggle. I think I would toggle visibility, but the toggle just adds it on and off. So what I need to do, I need to completely yeah toggle, add or remove. Um, so that would go where it would go the start button, which is here on click. Wait, do I not have anything for that? Okay, so right now it just runs the pop out function, right? That's what it's doing. So where's pop out? So I guess I would just go. Where is it? We can get rid of this. Custom. I think we'd go custom cursor dot toggle, just like that. Okay, nothing on the page. I click on it. Okay, that is not right. Toggle attribute. Why say attribute? Should just be toggle. Or maybe I'm wrong. Warning. I like warnings, man. There's a difference between visibility and display. Use display hidden if you don't know why. Give it a Google search. Okay, but I did display thingy first. It didn't work. Right. So display hidden. Look at that. It shows up. Doesn't hide. See, when I refresh the page, it shows the bottom of the page right here, and then it does this thing. Okay. I just thought of something else too. So we also need to, in the pop-out, we also need to call the function we wrote earlier, which is, so this one should not trigger until we click the start button. Oh man, how do you do that? Or maybe it's just going to trigger in the back end. We just don't show it until the buttons click. But display hidden's not working. Is it not working because of the other functions or because of all of this? Not hidden, sorry, none. Ah, okay, all right. All right, there we go. That works. Um, and then what I do is I would toggle right here. I have a feeling I'm missing something when I do the toggle thing. Toggle JavaScript. Toggle between class names. Okay, you can only toggle between class names. Class name. I guess I could just do the class name because. Can I do just a class name? That's not a class name. That's the ID. Okay, so what I could do is I could just separate that out into a class, right? Say class hide hammer. Display none. Display none. No, I can do that because it needs to be. It needs to be. Could create a class that's hammer pick using toggle. Yeah. I think there's a bit of a lag. I'm gonna take credit for coming up with that one myself. That's the only thing I came up with myself today, and I'm gonna take credit for that one. Okay, hide hammer display none. Hammer pick is the ID. Hammer pick should be our custom. Yeah, this is to go to the top. It's confusing here. But it needs to be hidden at the start, and then when I click on it, then it should show. So it needs to be the opposite of what it's doing right now. So we're gonna add right? And then we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna add. No, we're gonna remove. So this needs to go back in here. And then on click, I need to remove that. Okay, the problem is it's not going to do that because I've already assigned it display none permanently on this one, right? So that's okay. Do I need to create a separate class? Can I not just go, just remove it from a hammer pick? Hammer pick is a, what is that? That's a, nah, I can't, man. You can as well give it a class from the start. Then use toggle. Okay, so you okay? I see, okay. So you're saying right? Okay, so give this a class of thingy. Hey, what's up, Furniture Games? What's going on? Welcome, Raiders. What's going on? How was your stream? Oh man, it actually just timed you out. My bad. The bot has. Oh man, my bot is too strict. Welcome everybody. What's going on? What are you guys up to? I am building a game called Whack a Mole, and we're trying to add features to it right now. Um, the stream was good. Thanks. Nice. What do you do? Let's. It's got the name games in it. Do you play games or do you code? Um, let's check it out. Good luck with coding. Thank you. Thank you. We're making a game in Unity with C Sharp. Nice. Awesome. I'm making a simple game using JavaScript. Very cool, man. I'll give you a follow. Very cool. My internet's decided to be really slow right now. What game are you building? Check out this Among Us. Have you been playing Among Us today?
Hello, friends. It has been a while. Apologies. Let me just
All right, cool. Yeah, I will check it out later for sure. Um, but everyone, coming from Venetus's stream, here's what we're doing. We are. Thank you for the follow. Okay, so I've been learning the code since September, so it's been just over 2 months. So here's what I'm doing until quarter one of 2021. So by March, here's the plan. We've gone through the free code camp curriculum. That's done. So right now we're building different projects. So this guy has got this JavaScript 30 challenge, I guess you could call it. It's a free course, and it's got all these different kind of projects that you can build. I've actually skipped all the way to the end. I'm building whack-a-mole game right now. Um, yeah, day number 32, I believe, of learning JavaScript. Um, so once that is done, got a bunch of other stuff to do, and then yeah, we're gonna build on a real business project which is called Work City, which I'm excited about. Hopefully by March of next year, I'll have enough knowledge to be able to actually code something for real. But that's where we're at. So if you guys are learning JavaScript, you want to hang out and learn together, or if you're actual pros, we got some pros in the chat who come on here and just teach me, man. It's insane. Like it's just I don't know why they'd want to spend their day watch a beginner stream and teach me, but I appreciate that. So if that's your thing, then again, hang around because I think that's one of the best ways you learn, right? By teaching someone else. So always welcome to hang around. And there's also a game you can play. See who can win the high score if you just type and drop. I saw it on someone's stream and I stole it. It's pretty cool. I wish we knew more. Okay, I've seen that. Cool. So today, all right. So the hammer pick is hidden, and now we need to toggle it, right? So instead of remove, we are going to toggle that. Um, I think it's a class, so we'll do a dot. Let's see. So it's hidden. Click on that. Okay. All right, we broke something. Hide hammer is the one we need to do, which is a class, which is a dot. Um, Wait, no, we need to show it this time. What's the opposite of display? Display none. CSS display property. Inline block. Okay, let's do block. Block. Okay. Display block. Fantastic. So if we do that, okay, it's going to show up at the start. Actually, you know what? I didn't think that through. It has to be display none. But when I toggle, it needs to add. Okay. I need to do two things. I needed to remove the display hidden. Oh, display none rather. From hammer pick. And then it needs to add display block. Which obviously not gonna work because this thing here is overriding it. I'm at a 10-second delay, I see. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing a delay, man. I set it to be like instant, but I'm not sure why. Okay. Toggle. So toggle is gonna toggle. It's just gonna add and remove this one. But the problem with that is we already have a permanent display none in here. But if we have it as display none at the beginning, and then do that, right, and then do a remove, that should work. Or toggle, that should work. So it should be hidden. And when I click on this, why does that not like it? Oh, do I have to do this thing? Class list add? Yeah, that's what I'm missing. Yep. Okay, that should be it. The problem is on my side. Don't worry. Without the full stop. Okay. Hey, there we go. Look at that. All right, so right now it registers on a click, right? Because if we keep clicking, right, and once the game finishes, I need it to then hide it again. That's what I need to do. So toggle at the end. So right now we do this looping thing right here. I think somewhere here, I'm gonna toggle again. Let's see if that works. So nothing here. Start. Stuff starts. Hey, no, no, no. It's going away. Okay. Okay, so not here. Somewhere here, maybe. All right, no hammer. Still no hammer. So where can I add it? Maybe I create a separate function just to remove function toggle hammer maybe. And then we'll just call that function at the start and at the end. I mean, in theory, that should work, right? But if it's going to work if I call a function, it should also work when I add it directly in this function here. Because there's no difference between. Okay, so what do we have? We got function pop out that removes the toggle. And then on, well, this can go away. And then if game interval, game is running, whatever. This may do nothing, just return out the current function. Maybe I need to add it somewhere here. No, it's not. That is to prevent it from restarting while the game is in progress. And then there's a delay of 10 seconds. Um, where would I move it to? Am I still console logging the X and Y? Yeah, okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, so game finish actually happens straight away. And it goes through if and else, if and else, if and else. Right, so I need to find out where this thing ends and where it stops. So line 40. So this one runs straight away, which is not helpful. Do me a favor and add pointer events known to your hammerpick CSS. It will make the hammer image ignore pointer events and that you click through it. It will save the headaches later. Okay, because that was one of the things trying to figure out how to do that. Awesome. Pointer events no. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. So you said I can actually click right now? Oh, look at that. Hey. Okay, cool. Okay, I need to figure out where the thing should go. So this is a function here, game interval. So if and else is here, so maybe it's somewhere here after the else, right? Does that work? Game finish is already done. Okay, that runs on every loop. That is not where we want it. I'm down with MCP. Welcome back, man. How's it going? Also, Scalpel Spider, thanks for the follow. After line 48 is where you would add it. Okay, cool. You just saved me trying it. I would have tried that after this one. Awesome. It's going good. Just got done with work. Awesome, man. Yeah, I got done with work, and this week's been kind of slow. This is my second stream of the week because I've been so busy at work. Um, Other than that, it's good. Awesome, man. There you go. Game finished. Perfect. 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 So I just need to run this thing right here, and that should take care of that. We're just gonna toggle it right here. Right. So start. It's gonna bring a hammer, and then on end, it should go away. Boom. Perfect. So yeah, MCP. We added a bunch of new features to this game. So this is the one I'm working on right now, Project Whack-A-Mole. Right. So we've actually just completed one of the things, right? Hiding the. Wait, we didn't have that as a thing. Hide the hammer after 10 seconds. Sorry, I just want more tick boxes, so we're just gonna create one. Okay, so now I also need to do a countdown of three, two, one. So I think I'm probably gonna create a separate function for that. Countdown. I'm just gonna do something. I have no idea how to do a countdown. Is there something for a time property in JavaScript? Get time. What is that? Get time. Return the number of milliseconds since. Okay, well that doesn't help me. I need get hours, get milliseconds. Get milliseconds might be good. Get seconds is better. Return seconds according to local time. Fantastic. D is new date. N is D dot get seconds. Try it for yourself. All right. Let D equals new date. And I'm learning so much from this project right now. These are all new concepts for me. Let N equals D dot get seconds. Got this thing wrong. All right, let's see what that gives us. Well, I will hit the bed. Good luck and see you. All right, man. Thanks for hanging around. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm probably going to sleep soon as well. It's almost 3 a.m. It's not. Oh, I need. No, no, no. What am I doing? I need to do con- countdown. Yeah, I need to call this. See what it gives me. Okay, it is working. So see, every second is giving me 111, which is cool. I just needed to somehow. How do I make it give me every second? Console law, and it just needs to go in a loop somehow. Get seconds. There you go. So I need to do a loop. If I is less than 10, I is 0. Yeah, whatever. Okay, that's not what I want. Actually, no, that might just work. I'm just going to call it add function add time. That's going to take I as a thing. If in our case I is less than 10, well, seems to be less than 4. I only need to show 3, 2, or 1. Can I do this? Basically, greater than 0, less than 4. So it'd be 3, 2, 1. Return 0 plus I don't know why. So return I, and then we got a countdown function here. Yeah, so we just got those two things. All right, we don't have. Okay. I'm just going to go an H2 tag just to test here. I don't know, ABC ID equals countdown, C down. And then if I say let C equals get element by ID, the ID is countdown, right? And then C dot inner HTML equals and it's actually going to count down every second. Okay, so we've got ABC. So if I do countdown there, hey, look at that. It's been running since. I needed to reset and not just come from whenever I clicked earlier. Since you want to count on 3 seconds, you can just copy the pattern for your animation code, but instead of random portion of second, you just run it every second. This bit here. So the I is 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. You also need to include the set timeout call, but instead of 10, change it to 3. All right, let's just copy it, and then we'll. I think I understand what you're saying, but I'm not fully sure. Let's paste in here. Right? Set interval. Let's get rid of all of that. So how is it going to know what to push? Instead of code, you would write code to redraw the timer value. Okay, this thing here. Okay, that's, that's not it. But this means it's going to run the code every 3 seconds, though, right? Or it's going to run for 3 seconds. Redraw the timer value. Yeah, so let's change that to be a second. Okay. How do we make it go every 10 seconds? We added another thing for 10 seconds. Okay, so we got this thing here too. Set interval and set timeout. Okay. All right. That would be the set timeout. Okay. So timeout would be the 3000 because, for 3 seconds. Set makes whatever you pass in happen periodically. Set timeout waits for however long you pass in, then returns the function. All right. So set interval will calculate whatever I want it to calculate every second. So I do need the code from earlier back then, this time thing. S equals oh, not really. Yeah, okay. So if this thing checks every second, what's it checking every second? It needs to pass in. How do I make it say, okay, 3, 2, 1? What did you say? You said I need to redraw the timer value. What does that mean? Timer create seconds countdown in 6 lines of JavaScript. There you go. Yeah, here's exactly what you're telling me. Set interval functions, seconds minus minus. Essentially what you did with the school. Right. School plus plus. In that case, I'll probably do a countdown minus minus and then okay, something like that. Um, where am I getting the seconds from? And this rule needs to change. Okay, so it's doing a text content. In my case, I need to let a starting stuff, right? Three. If starting time, I mean, it's going to equal 3, right? Does that make sense? Starting time. So I'm assigning a thing. And if that is, what's this? Okay, if it matches, then decrement by 1. And then, so maybe I need to go 4. So then it gives me a 3. And a second, right, run it again, and then do that for 3 seconds. This is a little more elegant since it doesn't use a. In the example, they just pull it from HTML. Okay. Right, and I'm trying to pull it from. Oh no, I need to run countdown here. 3. Good thing is it's showing 3, but it's not doing the countdown. Okay. Undefined. What's the problem? Oh, I need to do this. Do I need to do this at the end in the set timeout? Set starting time is not defined. Starting time is not defined. Fantastic. That's because it's outside of scope. Since you decrement, oh, right, okay, that makes sense. So it looks like I actually need to. I think I need to do a while thing too. No, I think while starting time is greater than 0, and I need to change this to a 3. So if the check within the example was used instead of doing the set timer code, that's my. Okay, I'll go back to the example in a second. 210. Okay. Uh, but I feel like it's spitting that out way too fast, not even waiting a second. And it's not assigning it. Well, we're console logging the time. That's also bad because I'd be changing the original thing too. I don't want to do that. So having to focus on in a while loop. What else can I do an if loop? If if statement rather. Yep, 0 because I shouldn't be changing this thing here. Right. That needs to stay intact. So it needs to reset to that. So okay, so what I can do is let timer equals starting time, right? And if timer is greater than 0, which it will be, then timer minus minus, and then once it's run, I want you to, well, it doesn't matter. I think that's it. But the problem is this isn't going to fix the initial issue. It's going to fix the starting timer not being messed up. Right. Timer is not defined. Why not? Oh, because it's outside. Great. Expected identifier 76. 1. Timer 0. It should be reassigning here, but it's not. Okay, so what it's doing is doing the 3, 2, 1, and then it's pushing the end result right at the end. Decided to make determine which bracket goes with what. I usually add comments after bracket stating what is, for example, function countdown code goes here, and okay, yeah, that would definitely help me. All right, for next ones, I will use that technique. What's going on here though? What's the problem? I think what it's doing is, so if I console log the timer, it's doing 3, 2, 1, and then it's pushing. So I think what I need to do is I actually need to this thing. I think this is to go here. That may be the problem. And then this thing actually goes in here. Maybe. Yes, we did it. Okay, we now have a countdown timer. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, the problem is it doesn't reset, huh? It needs to reset to 3. It does. Yeah, it does. It doesn't do it after the second time though. Look at that. Oh, does it? What is that doing? We have a bug, guys. That's a bug. And I have no idea why it's doing that. So countdown. 3, 2, 1, whatever. Do this thing. And run it again. 0. Oh, what are you doing? Where are you defining starting time? Starting time, I created it up top here. Here, it's right here. Both of them. It's outside any of the functions. It's right at the top of the document. I didn't want to use starting time because when I did that, it was destroying the reset variable. The reset. This one here. So, okay, so maybe it needs to go afterwards. Somewhere here. But no, it was resetting fine. No. 3, 2, 1, 0, and it doesn't do. Okay, we don't want it to be 0. Why is it? Why are you doing that? Don't do that. Okay, that's the problem. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, that's the issue. So it needs to do 3, 2, 1, 3. Stop. Right. So if timer is greater than 0, maybe greater than 1, that should stop the 0. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 797979. Why is it running twice though? I mean that's gonna make it go too fast, right? Yeah, that's not the solution. That's gonna make it go way too fast. This thing here is a problem. Since you aren't capturing the interval ID, then you want actually stopping the sensible thing. Oh, I remember talking about this last time. We need to do a clear interval, game interval. Okay. The time times equals that. Something like that. It's way too fast now. You see? Hmm. Okay. Three, two, one, four. I know it's a four because we made timer equals that, right? Maybe we just go something. Why isn't it showing the one? Is it happening too fast? I think it's because we didn't. Yeah, I would start at three, then set. Okay. 432. Okay. Okay. Because okay, so I need to change that to three. Still not doing the one. Hey, what's up, thanks, Kills? What's going on? Gotcha. Okay. Okay. But now I've set it to three. Right. Currently coding. Nice. What's you coding? How's JavaScript? JavaScript's good, man. We've been building a bunch of different games. This is my third project we're building. Uh, learning new every day. Today I'm learning how to add times, and I'm down with MCP is helping me out. GitHub. Oh, I don't have that. How do I? Dude, I need to add my GitHub to it. Nightbot. Okay. Okay. Currently doing work for a startup. Work for nice. Can I ask which startup? Yeah, I guess you could go to my overview page. Whatever. Twitch. Authorize. Hang on. I've already authorized it before. What do I gotta do again? It's kind of stressful when I have to do high school homework and work. You're in high school, man, and you're already working. See top commands, top chatter, Birdfred. Hey, look at that. Um, commands. Okay, should now work. Boom, amazing. Okay, so all right, countdown. Three, two, one. It's still showing so fast. I guess 3, 2, 1, 0. So maybe I need to change this to 4 things, and then it's not going to skip through the last one. Yeah, that works. Okay, great, great, great. That was a mistake. Cool. And then I needed to hide after it says go. Does it ever, when does it get here? Oh, it goes there straight away. Okay, that's bad. That's gonna happen immediately, right? Okay. Yeah. ABC. I need to remove the ABC too. I don't want that to show up. So I can get rid of it here. Right. Mm-hmm. So we have a countdown. So 3, 2, 1. All right, fantastic. So the problem now is I need that to start when I click on start, right? So we need to I have no idea if that's gonna work or not. Because um I need the rest of this to run after this has been run for 3 seconds, but right. But obviously it's gonna run instantaneously. So I need to do another set timeout and do it again. If you want something to happen at the end, then you need to include it within the set timeout. So I need another set timeout within within another set timeout. Okay, cool. So I guess I could just go function start game, and this thing would do these things here, right? It's gonna set it to this, and then it's also gonna do the countdown thing, right? And then it would run, and then we do a set timeout. Handler timeout number arguments. Set timeout P4000 because that's how long it's going to take. And then here's going to be pop out. Does that make sense? But I need this. Okay, let's do. Okay, that did not work at all. If you want something to happen, how do I do that? Okay, so countdown 3, 2, 1, right? Oh, I guess I could add it to the countdown function down below, and then run that in here, somewhere here. 3, 2, 1, and then just pop out. I think that's okay. I think that's actually what you said. You could have the pop out. Okay, yeah. Yes. Oh no, that's not what I need to do. I haven't connected the start button to the start game yet, so that's the problem there. If I did that, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, look at that. All right, we're in. We're in. The problem is that my thing isn't showing up. And the reason that it doesn't show up because I've got it connected to the start click, right? Okay. So we need to change that. The way to change that would be, let's see. This should have done it though. Start game. Yeah, it is here. Where's my start button? Start button is where? If you just uncommented within the pop-up function, it should work. Oh, I don't know why I commented it. This doesn't need to be here though. Okay, cool. So I just need to change pop out, pop out, pop out. Okay, yeah, that needs to run start game. All right, let's see. Start button added when this now run start game. Start game toggles it so you can see it. And then we run countdown. Countdown does the 3, 2, 1. And at the end of the 3, 2, 1, clear it. And we run pop out and pop out. We'll then toggle it again. Okay, I don't need to toggle here. It needs to toggle at the end, right here. Okay, let's try that again. Why are you showing up straight away, man? Oh, because I've got it here, that's why. Do I want it to show up? I do want it to show up there, right? Yeah, I do. Just click on that. We got the hammer. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Thing comes out, and then boom, boom, boom. We're gonna whack it, get some scores up, and then by the time that finishes, it needs to go away now. And it goes, oh, cool. It's doing what it's meant to do. It should actually be counted. All right. Sweet. So we can take one more thing off the list. So after clicking start, it should show a countdown 3, 2, 1. Then it's other thing. Yeah. Well, I guess we could also add that. And then it should remove the hammer after 10 seconds. This might actually be under here. Add a game over message after 10 seconds. Do I want to add that? I don't think I want to. It's gonna do all this stuff. Okay, what it needs to say is this button is to change to round 2 and then round 3 and round 4. So I guess we'll come back to that tomorrow. Because yeah, what I need to do is it's going to be a round based game, and as you progress through the different rounds, the speed of the mode is going to change. It's going to get faster and faster. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. I think we made a lot of progress today. It's been what 3 hours, but I know we only take 4 things, but that was a lot of learning. Yeah, okay. I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll finish this off. Maybe tomorrow, if not Saturday for sure. I still need to learn how to do local storage. Need to limit this stuff. Yeah, do that. Different sounds, need to implement that. Cool. This is gonna be interesting. All right. Cool guys. Yeah, I'm gonna drop. What are you guys up to now? Should we raid someone? Who do you normally watch? MCP. Let's go over to him or her. Twitch. None of the people I follow are online. I don't know if I don't have a go-to. I just browse science technology. Okay. Beginner game dev. We go to him then. Cool. People already dropping, so we're gonna raid him in a party of 5. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Again, thanks for hanging out. I will be back tomorrow, and yeah, we will continue. All right. Catch you guys later.